Despite being created and maintained by Google, Chromebook does allow you to switch to a different search engine on the Chrome browser. So even though by default you are going to be using Google, but if you feel like Google search result is not satisfactory, you can always switch to alternatives like DuckDuckGo, Bing, Ecosia, Yahoo, etc. So here's how you can change the search engine on Google Chrome to other search engines that are basically not Google. So open Google Chrome, and right now you can see that it is using Google. Go to the menu right here and navigate settings. And conveniently, the setting about search engine is available on this menu called search engine. Right now it's set to Google, but I can click change and there will be some options where I could select. So these options are usually based on the region, and some countries might see different options, but generally speaking, big names like DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, and Bing should be available. So I'm going to switch to Microsoft Bing and let's click set as default. And there you go. Now Bing is now your default search engine. If I open a new tab and if I search something like, for example, I want to search a Chromebook news, okay, that's a bit laggy. That's maybe the reason why Bing is not very popular. The search results, sorry, the search interface is kind of bloated, but then again, it's maybe something that people are prefer. And as you can see, it's using Bing instead of Google. And yeah, if you feel like Bing or other search engines are better, you can use that on your Chromebook device. So that's how you can switch to different search engines on your Chromebook device. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.